Hello, a very good evening, students. So, today we are going to start maths, and the chapter we will do today is Heron's formula. It's a very simple chapter, only around triangles. So, first of all, we should understand what is a triangle. It is a three-side figure having three vertices, three sides, and three angles. Right angle triangle is that triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. Okay, and there is one base, one height, and one hypotenuse, and the area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. Here base is BC and height is AB, therefore area would be half into BC into AB. This is just a general thing which you all are aware of it. Now we will start with the question number 1. The base and hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 5 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Find its area. It means we have given base, that is 5, and height, that is 13, and we need to find its area. Sorry, the base and hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are, here hypotenuse is 13, not height, I'm sorry. So first of all we will find out the height by applying Pythagoras theorem. We know that what is the Pythagoras theorem? It is hypotenuse square is equal to sum square of base and height. We need to find AB, so AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square, and AC is 13, square root of 13 is 169, and BC is of 25, 144. It means AB is equal to under root of 144, which is equivalent to 12. Therefore, its height would be 12, and we need to find the area. Area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. Base is 5 and height is 12. It would be 30 centimeter square. Units are in centimeter, so 30 centimeter square. It means total area occupied by this triangle is 30 centimeter square. Now, what is an equilateral triangle? It is that kind of triangle in which all the sides are equal and each angle is of 60 degree. Like this. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to, all the three sides are equal and each angle is of 60 degree. Now in this case, what we need to do, we need to find the height or median of an equilateral triangle. Like this is a triangle, A, B and C. Let the side be A, and we need to find its height. Height would be its median. We need to find its height. Then how do we find? First of all, let us say this, AD is median. Median is a partition which divide triangle into equal halves. It means if BC is A, therefore BD would be A by 2 and DC would be A by 2. No need to confuse. Here AD is the median. Median is that line which divide the triangle into two equal halves. यानी कि median एक triangle को दो equal part में divide करेगा. Therefore AD is a median. If BC is A, therefore BD is equal to CD. Therefore BD would be A by 2 and DC would be A by 2. Now we need to find height. Like हम ये half triangle ले लेते हैं. ABD, इसी का हमने हाफ पोर्शन यहाँ पर ले लिया. AB is your A and BD A by 2. We need to find AD, and in this case we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So what the Pythagoras theorem say? It say AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We need to find AD. AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Now AD was A, AB was A square minus BD was A by 2. It would be A square minus A square upon 4. 2 का square 4 होता है. By taking its LCM, it become 4A square. It would be 3A square upon 4. Now ये आपका आ गया AD square, but we need to find only AD. AD is equal to अंडर रूट ऑफ 3A स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. अब A स्क्वायर तो निकल जाएगा. A स्क्वायर का अंडर रूट क्या हो जाएगा? A एंड 4 का अंडर रूट 2, बट 3 का अंडर रूट क्या हो जाएगा? रूट 3 A अपॉन 2. देयरफॉर AD वुड बी रूट 3A अपॉन 2. कभी भी कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा तो पूरी हाइट को नो नीड टू सॉल्व, सिंपल जो हाइट होएगी ऑफ अ इक्वलेटरल ट्राइंगल वुड बी रूट 3 into side by 2. Okay, root 3 into side upon 2. This would be your required height of an equilateral triangle. सिर्फ आपको ये चीज़ याद रखनी है, रूट 3A by 2. नेक्स्ट है आपका how to find area of equilateral triangle. Now we need to find the area. ये आपका ट्राइंगल है. ABC, where BC is your base and here AD would be the height. और हमने AD क्या फाइंड आउट किया था? रूट 3. ठीक है, ये आपका A है और BC A है. तो एरिया क्या होएगा इसका? Just hold on. तो एरिया would be half into base into height. Base is A and height is रूट 3A by 2. तो its area would become रूट 3A into A square, रूट 3A square, 2 to the 4. तो area would be रूट 3A square divided by 4. तो अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन आता है टू फाइंड द एरिया, सिंपल यू विल अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला, रूट 3 into side square divided by 4. Now let us check the question. Let us find area of an equilateral triangle having a side of 20 meter length. Find its altitude. It means here in this question, ट्वेंटी 20. ठीक है, हमको ऑल्टीट्यूड फाइंड करना है एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड इट्स एरिया. तो ऑल्टीट्यूड यानी कि हाइट क्या होती है? रूट 3 इंटू साइड डिवाइड बाय 2. ठीक है, साइड क्या थी? 20 मीटर. तो इसका ऑल्टीट्यूड आ जाएगा आपका 10 रूट 3 मीटर, यानी कि 10 root 3 meter. Now we need to find its area as area of रूट 3 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे वैल्यू को. साइड कितनी थी? 20 अपॉन 4 100 यानी कि it would be 100√3 meter square. Very simple to find all these questions. Only you need to apply the single formula for area. Okay. Next question is find the area of isosceles triangle. We know what is isosceles triangle. It is a triangle in which two adjacent sides are equal. Having base 2 centimeter, length of one of the equal side is 4 centimeter. Like this is your isosceles triangle. Four and 2 centimeter. Now we need to find its area. सिंपल. इस केस में भी हम क्या करेंगे, एक मीडियन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, ड्रॉ AD which is perpendicular bisected to BC, therefore BD is equal to CD. क्योंकि ये एक तरह का मीडियन है. AD इज अ मीडियन. अगर मीडियन है तो इट मीन्स उसको बाइसेक्ट भी वो करेगा. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बाय अप्लाइंग पाइथागोर, अगर तो ये BD क्या हो जाएगा 1 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज इनका होल 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो हाफ करेंगे तो 1 सेंटीमीटर आ जाएगा. इन ट्राइंगल ABD, ये आपका पॉइंट A है. इन ट्राइंगल ABD AD square which is your height is equal to AB square minus BD square. AB कितना था 4, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, BD था 1, यानी कि आपका AD आ गया √15 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, हमने हाइट निकाल ली √15. नाउ एरिया ऑफ किसी भी ट्रायंगल का एरिया क्या होएगा, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. बेस कितना था 2, हाइट कितनी थी √15. 2 से 2 कट, therefore its area would be √15 centimeter square. I hope you are done with all these 3 questions or 4 questions. If in case you feel any doubt, then WhatsApp me. And that's all for today.